Good morning, boys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As always, this is my weekly commentary for the week. What I'm anticipating for this week. Currently, just like the chart, just like we are seeing in the chart, what I anticipated last week actually came to fruition. Remember, I told you guys that if price had closed above our expecting price to come back, start beginning to show and then buy. So when it comes to this, the XY, we had a bullish move which occurred on the 4th of February, then on the 5th of February, this was on Wednesday, this was on Thursday. So while I was buying DXY on Wednesday and on Thursday, automatically it means foreign currency is going to sell. So if you check my posts, I did this sell on GBP USD, I think. So go to my post on YouTube channel, you see that I did sell on GBP USD. While on Friday, when we had this massive down sales, I did a sell on USD card. Remember initially I told you guys I was expecting price that if price comes into this bearish breaker, which is identified by this higher high, you break down. If price comes into this place, I told you guys that I'll be looking for bearish rejection candles, and if I see that, I'll be looking for sales. Won't actually happen. The bearish rejection candles. So I went to the smaller time frame and then I caught a sell on this on USD card. Check on my posts, you see there. And then the buys, when DXY was buying foreign currencies, was selling. So I also did catch a sell on GPUSD. Now, coming into this week, what am I anticipating? This was yesterday's trade. This was on Monday, today's on Tuesday. Remember, last week I told you guys there was something 10 expansion on expansion retracement. I told you guys, go back and watch the video. I said currently the price is expanding down, which means currently the trend is a downtrend. But last week we saw a retracement upwards. Now, what am I looking for this week? I'm anticipating that price should trade into this price here, which is delineated by 95.811. That's what I'm expecting. We guys see this massive bearish move down. It called for a plunge, which automatically, what this is, if we are seeing on DXY, then foreign currencies should be buying, which is GU should be buying, AU should be buying, NZD should be buying, and AUD should be buying. But at places like USD price should be selling, the USD card should be selling, and USD CHF should be selling. So, as we are seeing here, there was a sell on Monday. Automatically means the foreign currencies are going to buy. I took a buy line on NZD, and currently I'm still on that trade. I'm going to share the post. It's on my posts. I'm yet to do the editing of adding nice screenshots to my video, so I'm going to be sharing all those in the post before and after. So what am I still anticipating? I'm still anticipating that this price should get below this level. Now I'm going to go to NZD to show you guys where my buy is from. Okay, let's just go see what actually prompts you to take a buy on NZD is because currently the market is moving in an upward movement. I'm anticipating for NZD it's so price to get into this level right here, this high. That's what I'm looking for. I want price to get into this high. So I entered the trade on NZD from this daily bullish order block right here. Now, from this bullish order block, I enter the trade from here. So automatically, I'm targeting this high. My entry majority of the time is usually on the 1 hour time frame. So I entered from this level. Then I open another position at this level, at this fair value gap right here. You're going to see all the results. They are all in the post. So probably when you see this video, you are going to be seeing the result as well. So for this week, what I'm looking for, I'm the XY, automatically I'm waiting for sales, which means I anticipate for the market to continue selling downwards into this level. You get, so this is what I'm anticipating. But the question is, am I going to hold my trade until the XY gets here? No, I am not. I'm actually aiming for my own profits. When I get my profit, I tend to leave the market. But my anticipation is for price to get here. So as long as this is my drawn liquidity, I'll be looking for buys on foreign currencies. So for this week, the only pair I've actually engaged in is NZUSD. I was actually looking to also buy USD, but then it didn't actually come into where I was anticipating I buy from. I was looking to buy from this bullish order block right here, the body. But as you can see, price didn't actually get there. So just opened up the initial session and then start rallying up. So giving us no time for entry. I would have loved to buy from this inverted fair value gap right here. As you can see, price opened up, tap into it. Remember, the drawn liquidity for EU, for me, it's going to be this rejection block right here. But since price is not actually giving me any chance for me to join the market, I'm not going to force it. I'm just going to observe how price pattern is formed. So for me, music, DXY is bearish, foreign currencies is bullish, USD JPY bearish, USD CAD bearish, USD CHF bearish. Remember, on Wednesday, which is to a CPI, and I think on Thursday is, sorry, to Wednesday is NFP, and I think on Thursday CPI. So my idea, I should be done trading for the week, probably this Tuesday or Wednesday in the morning, because I don't usually trade CPIs and NFPs. We'll see how beautifully price delivered from this bearish order block, broke through the gap. So I'm anticipating price to come back down here. So that is it, guys, for me for this week. Catch you next week or whatever price does next. I'm going to update you guys for the channel. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.